In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new widgets to your Blogspot blog. So the first step is to go to blogger.com. From the left hand side of the screen, select the layout option. A new page will load and this will show you all the widgets that are currently running on your blog. To add a gadget or a widget, you have to click on Add a Gadget. A pop-up will appear with hundreds of new widgets. You can select any widget, for example, a featured post widget, a blog search, an HTML box, an AdSense ad widget, a profile widget, or a stats widget. You can select any widget and add to your blog within a few seconds. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel.